Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. Today I'm going to teach you how to cook quinoa. We have organic white quinoa here, which is high in fiber. It helps lower your cholesterol and your blood sugar levels, and it also helps prevent heart diabetes and heart disease, and it is enriched in antioxidants. We're going to use avocado. We're going to need a measuring cup. We're going to need a strainer and of course a pan, pot, whatever you have. And we're also going to use some distilled water. So let's get started. Okay, so what you want to first do is measure your quinoa. So you can actually do 1 cup, 2 cups, whatever it is that you prefer to do. So for me, I'm just going to do 1 cup or 1.5 cups I'll do, or 1/4, you could say 1/4 of quinoa. And then once you get that up in there, you're gonna put the same exact measurements or just a little bit beneath that. We're gonna pour it in the pot. Okay, I hope y'all can see that good. And then we're gonna measure our water when it's time to cook it. You're going to put the same exact amount of water. But before we do that, we must rinse our quinoa. Okay, we have to rinse it until it's no longer cloudy. Okay, so now we're going to rinse our quinoa with cold water. Some people rinse it with hot water or whatever the case may be, but not boiling water. So it could be like lukewarm or something like that. Now, if you could see really close, the water is like, you're gonna, move your hand around in it and everything. And if you look real close, the water is very cloudy. It's like similar to rice. Actually, you can use quinoa to replace eating rice. It's much, much more healthier. But what you're gonna keep doing is you're gonna keep on mixing it around, and you're gonna want to keep rinsing it until the water is no longer cloudy. Okay, some people soak their quinoa overnight and then rinse it in the morning. You can actually eat it without putting any heat to it, or even add it to a salad. Okay, so we're gonna get this rinsed and clean, and then I'll be right back with you. All right, so this is what you want to do. You want to make sure you clean your quinoa. Always make sure you clean it. So now basically what the strainer is for is like, once you finish you know trying to get as much of the cloudiness, like, or out of the quinoa as much as possible, what you're going to do is you're going to take your strainer, you're going to pour, and the strainer will catch any quinoa that may come from out of your pot. And you're going to repeatedly do this until the water is not as cloudy. Try to get it as clear as possible, okay? So that's what we're going to keep doing. You see, like, the water starting to lighten up. It's not as cloudy as it was before. Once you start seeing that, you're almost there to start cooking your quinoa, okay? So we're going to do this one more time, and then we'll get cooking. Okay, y'all, so